Welcome to our tutorial on how to insert columns in Excel. This feature is essential for adding new data to your spreadsheet. Let's get started. First, open your workbook and select the column to the right of where you want to insert a new column. I will enter a new column before the column D. Therefore, I will click on the column heading D. Then go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Insert Sheet Columns. That's how it works. You can also use the right-click context menu. Right-click on the column heading where you want to insert a new column. As previous, I will click on the column heading D. From the context menu, select Insert. In addition, if you need to enter 5 columns at once, select 5 columns using column headings and insert columns using any of the 2 methods discussed earlier. To recap, you can insert columns using the ribbon or the right-click context menu. This allows you to efficiently add new data to your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.